Hi, I'm Bert True with the law firm True & Associates, and today we're going to talk about patents on breast cancer genes. One of our subscribers suggested that I discuss patents on breast cancer genes, and I looked into it. And you may not realize that companies can get a patent on human genes. Patents are normally for inventions, but you can patent a gene. It's called a biological patent. The first biological patent was granted back in the early 1900s, but the first patent on a living organism was upheld in 1980. This was a bacterium for digesting crude oil and oil spills. And as of 2010, approximately 40,000 United States patents exist that relate to an estimated 2,000 human genes. As there are roughly 20,000 human genes, this means there are patents that relate to about 10% of the human genome. These patents cover isolated genes, methods of using the isolated genes, for example, to manufacture protein drugs, and methods to diagnose a disease based on an association between a gene and a disease. There is some controversy, however. For example, in a recent case known as the Myriad Genetics case, the ACLU and others filed a lawsuit against Myriad Genetics, who owns patents on breast cancer genes, and the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. The lawsuit sought to have the patents on human breast cancer genes to be declared invalid on the grounds that they patents stifle research, and it causes patients to have difficulty getting treatment, and also in response, Myriad and the USPTO argued that patents which protect the company's work in the field and allows them to profit from it actually encourages research and encourages companies to spend money developing useful biological inventions, so to speak. The district court judge ruled that the patents were invalid, and the appeal is now before the Federal Circuit. So tell me what you think. Should a company be allowed to patent a human gene? How about a living organism? It starts with bacterium, but who knows where it will end up. Next week, we're going to discuss another interesting topic, and if you have a suggestion like this topic that was suggested by one of our listeners, one of our readers, please post it in the comments below. If you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to the blog by email. Just click the link below that says subscribe by email. You can also follow blog using Google Friend Connect. This will keep you updated with new posts to the blog. If you'd like to discuss something in private, just click the Google Voice gadget below, and you enter your telephone number, and Google Voice will connect us. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications of new videos, and you can click the links on this video, or view my law firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on personal injury and wrongful death topics. You can follow me on Twitter at BertTrue. You'll get notice when I post a new video. I'm Bert True with True & Associates.